We're twin brothers. This song is called What Am I Speaking Of? And I hope you can find it somewhere. Wash my face before I sleep, and please remind me not to eat, 'cause you're full of lies, in love with your alibis. It takes 2 days to show me your full name, and in the meantime, what am I speaking of? Every step back, I move forward. And did I mention you are someone to know of? 'Cause I breathe